Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Linode beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Linode website at www.linode.com. On the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be redirected to a new page. Here, find the option to create a new account. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required details in the registration form. Provide a valid email address that you access regularly. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. Once you have filled out all the information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox shortly. Open the email from Linode and click on the provided verification link. After verifying your email, return to the Linode website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you may be prompted to configure your account settings. Follow any additional instructions to complete the account setup. Now, navigate to the billing section of your account. Enter your payment information securely. Choose a payment method that suits you best. Review your payment details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, save your payment method. Congratulations, your Linode account is now set up and ready for use. Explore the Linode dashboard to start deploying your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.